Is there a surgery to wind up getting rid of your vertigo or dizziness? Well, today I want to talk about one of the procedures that's out there and what you need to know about it. Hi, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Aligned Wellness Center, and I've been helping people over the last 20 years to wind up removing the obstacles from their health to lead an amazing, fantastic lives. Today, I want to talk with you about a vestibular neurectomy. So this is an advanced procedure that people may have done, whether it's because they have issues with Meniere's disease, vertigo, dizziness, off balance. And it's a really advanced procedure where they look to remove part of your skull and then they search for the vestibular nerve. They look to wind up clipping it off and disconnecting it from your brain. They also look to try to avoid the acoustic nerve that allows you to hear so you can keep hearing. As you can hear in the description of this procedure, it is a very challenging one and it is very invasive. It also has a lot of challenges with it. Some of the things that can wind up happening is you could lose your hearing. You can wind up having worsening dizziness or loss of balance. You can also wind up having an infection, and with this it's really challenging because your brain is open, and that's a bad place to have an infection. It's very hard to wind up removing. You can have difficulties with I mentioned balance, as well as many other things that make this surgery a really concerning thing for people to think about doing. Once again, this should be the absolute last result in what you're thinking of taking, and you should turn over every stone before you get to it. If you've got questions of how to wind up avoiding it or what you should wind up doing next, I really think we should hop on a discovery call to try to figure out what's going on. If you'd like some simple steps at home to do, you can also check out our cheat sheet where we've got 5 steps that help so many people to get out of the vertigo spins. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.